Morning, Pigeon family. Hams aloft. Assalamu alaikum. It's Sunday morning. Just got back in again from another trip. Had to go to Memphis with my wife. So I'm the driver, so I had to go. All right, we got the birds out. It's going to rain for sure. But they haven't been out in a while. Ain't no sense leaving them in there. They ain't going to do nothing sitting in here. I'm gonna go inside and push them out. Trying to find somewhere to put my phone so I can record. But let's see what I can do. And these should be 33. I haven't counted them again, but they haven't been let out, so it should be 33 with no problem. Let me find somewhere to put this camera. Well, while I got the camera out, see how the guys are doing. See the little one right there? Doing pretty good. Parents are eating. She's banded. The one right there, and the other one back there. Parents just got finished feeding them. Got about 5 birds. Look at that that silver, my GAC bird. He's sitting in the corner. Like I said, let me get these birds out. Push them out. I got 5 in the air. Can't find nowhere to put my camera. Oh, let's try. Try right here. Alright, got some on the roof, got them all out. And I gotta drop the trap. See, we got a few all over the place. I'm quite sure y'all probably can see, I can't see crap. Alright, we're gonna put you on pause. We got some on the roof. You know, since looking at them do nothing, so. Okay, let's see if we get these 5. Look like they doing pretty good. Well, everybody know what the birds look like when you first push them up. But they've been in there locked up, so I just wanted to get them out. It's a little windy, not too windy. I haven't fed them yesterday, not today, and so I know they're gonna be hungry. All right, I'm gonna put everybody on pause and see what happens. All right. chasing off the damn Cooper. I got those guys on the roof. Got a few flying. I know they're sucking around here somewhere. All right. I ain't fed nobody, they just out. They still out, that's all. Flying around, the Cooper already came one time. It's gonna rain, I almost think I feel some drops now. Hey! And Cooper right there. It's a young Cooper too. I can tell it's not a red-breasted parent. I seen him go over the tree. They just took off. I ain't see them. Still got some right there. Everybody just took off and flew. There they go up in there. There you go. Fuck them. Ha! Right there. See them right through the tree. There you go. All right. Let me put y'all on pause. I'll get my stick out. There's the ass go right there. Damn Cooper. Well, at least I know he ain't got nothing yet. I don't know which one he is. His ass is out here somewhere. I'm trying to get him in. It's the first chance I get. All right, y'all. Appreciate everybody watching. Comment, subscribe. I know his ass is. Cooper's around here somewhere. That's a young one, small, I can tell. All right, comment, subscribe. My little buddies are right down there in the little pen. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.